What is contact improvisation? My favorite definition is that it's undefinable because it's always growing and changing. It's an art form that's based on the precepts of contemporary dance, meditation, martial arts, working with the laws of physics, gravity, inertia, centripetal force. And what happens when we work with those natural laws and we bring our masses, our bodies together, and we play and we experiment and we roll and we slide and we fall and we tumble, we make it up on the spot through our listening, through our deep curiosity, and through wanting to meet each other in a new way that language doesn't provide. In this month here, we're having a dedicated space with the same people so that we can begin to build trust and rapport, so that we can begin to build the muscle of knowing our own bodies and our own architecture, and how to listen to where others are at so that we have a meeting point for an actual improvisational dance where we're carrying and supporting each other's weight with no plan and no gender roles. And you're allowing yourself to really listen and, okay, right, leaning in and testing. Is he there? Oh, an upper position. My pelvis got, oh, my pelvis is under his. Oh, cool, right? So we're playing. We're investigating, we're falling. Playing with animals, folding of limbs. You're finding a way that your body, I'm going fast, but you don't have to. There you go.
This experience that Shannon led was spectacular. I feel held and so grateful for this beautiful, safe, platonic touch container that she has created for all of us.
It was like watching this whole group of, I don't know, maybe 25 people just come in kind of like, okay, I don't know how this is gonna go, and then just seeing everybody like melt into each other and into the space. And I'm just so grateful that this is happening in the community and that Shannon is such a phenomenal teacher, and that we get to come together and meet and merge and learn how to be in our bodies with each other in such a safe and healing way.
What I learned this month was that coming closer together as two bodies makes us stronger, and that balance between two bodies is what creates the true strength of carrying or lifting or supporting one another.
Feel that moment of relying on each other.